Okay, now we click on team and computing channel, ebook. After ebook, we will full screen. Now we will go there. Let's see.
Okay.
Okay, today we start working with text, the new topic, right? We will drag it here. We will start working with text.
Okay.
13 number page. Okay, we will go there. Now, working with text, what is word processing? Inside this one, we will use MS Word Software 2013. Word processing
Okay.
is the preparation of a text document, either manually or using a machine. The computer is the most popular word processing machine. Computer word processing program allows us to type, edit, or change the text. Add a variety of the features to aid and make uh, a print out. Okay, now word processing is using for the documentation text when you are going to use manually or using machine. Machine means computer. Now, in computer, most popular is word processing machine. Now, computer word processing program allow us to type. We want to type anything which you want. After that, you can edit anything. For example, you write a line. Now you want to change it, you can, right? And variety of feature, different type of feature available in MS Word, and we can easily print. Now toolbar, I will show you practically after that. MS Word toolbar. This is the toolbar of MS Word using for designing purpose. You want to save anything, you want to copy paste anything, you want to cut anything, you want to bold anything, any text, underline, you want to change the color, you want to change the size, you want to change the font style. If you want to center the text, you can, right? Using different type of thing inside that one. Okay, after that we have a formatting text. The quality of a document can be easily improved by changing its appearance. Most word processing program user to apply various styles and formatting to the text. Let's know. Try out a few these formatting methods in Microsoft Word. Now, first one is which one? Now, changing the font type face. Now, for example, you write anything, you want to change that one font, you can. Now, this the shape of the text the changes according to the font type face. There are different font typefaces available for you to use a Microsoft Word. Different computers have a different font styles. Now, font available on your computer will be listed on in the font list, which is available on the format toolbar. How we will that one? We will do that thing. We will go there for further, right? Now, how we will bold, how we will change the font size. We will go for practically, right? You will see this one only. Walaikum salam, good morning, beta. This one font is size will be changed, right? And this one different style, bold, italic, underline, right? We can use this one. Extra dark you want to, right? Now we will go there and we will work on it. Okay, now how you will start? How you will start? Click on start and Word 2013. Now we will go there. Okay, it is start. Okay, now first we will go for the blank document. There are different type of format available here, but we will go for blank document. Right? When you are expert, then you can use that other types. Okay, now we have this one. Now we will zoom in 100. Okay. Now you are seeing that thing. This is cursor which is blinking. Here we enter the text. For example, I write Pakistan is our country. Right? We will full stop this one. Okay. Now first one, when you select, first you will select this one. After that, you will go for this one. This one what? Font type. Right? We will click here. You can change which you want. You can change it. Font face. Right? We click here. Times New Roman. Now this is using for size. How much size you need when you are going to type any letter or anything. Font will be in size and for 12 font size. Heading will be 14. Okay, now if you want to more, you can write which you want, right? But it is good 14. Okay, we will click here. Now first you will select that one. If you not select that one, then it cannot change. You see, it cannot change, and it cannot change the font face. Okay, for example, first you will select this one. All means shift and arrow key or mouse pointer. Okay, we will go there. Now this is using for bold, right? Bold, yes, bold. Okay, now when you bold that one, this is called using for italic. Some curve will be there, and this one is using for underline. Okay, I want to underline only our. You will select this our first. After that, you underline, right? Now it is underline. Okay, I want to underline Pakistan. Yes, I can select this one only Pakistan. You can. Okay, now you change the size of only Pakistan. You can, right? Okay. Now we will go for, we will select all. Now I want to change the size all only 12. Okay. If this one is using for zoom in and zoom out, zoom in, it will closer to you. This is out, right? This is for out, and this for in, right? Okay. After that, we will go for, okay. Now if you want to change the color, how we will change the color? First, you will select that one. Only I select the country. I want to change the color of countries. That one red color. And Pakistan, for example, I want to change this one and green color. Now this our we are using this one for white color. Now when you click the white color, it is not visible because background is white. That why it is not visible. If you change the background of this, now after that it is visible. This is using for background of the text. Now you see when the color change, background color is changed. Now you can, it is visible. White color is visible. If you change again this background color of that one of the text in green, it is visible. Non color, then it is not visible. Okay, now we will select this one. we will go for it for again any color which you want, right? Now it is changed. Now how you will save your document, right? You work on this document. Now how you will change save the document? You will go click on file, save, and where you want browse, and I want to save in document in this one document. Yes, write the name here if you want to write the name. I want to write the name here, this one, Pakistan, and save it. After saving this one, okay, I want to close this one. Yes, I close. Okay, now again I want to open this one again. Okay, now I want to open again this one. How we will open this one, right? Now again I click here. I go through book first. Again.
Assalamualaikum.
Walaikum salam, beta. Walaikum salam. You will click here again. We will go for working with text. We will click on it. Okay, now this one working with text, right? We will zoom in. We already discussed this one. Word processing, font face, formatting, font size, style, and also now formatting toolbar. We will go for formatting toolbar. We will do that formatting toolbar. How we will change the font size, font face, and style of that one. Okay, we will go there in next page. We already discussed that one, and now changing text alignment. Now MS Word allows you to set the position of the text on the page. This is called text alignment. Aligning text, you can apply 4 different horizontal alignments to the text in your documents, right? How we will apply? These are the left align, center align, and right align, and full alignment. Okay, now when you have a paragraph, you can full alignment using full alignment. Okay, anyone tell me about that one? When you are going to write any English work, right, of your subject, you are writing from left side or right side? Yes.
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam.
Left side.
Yes, left side. Good. Left side. And when you are going to write Urdu, Urdu word, you are right from the right side or left side?
Right side.
Right side. Good. When you are going to write the topic name, when you are going to write the topic name, it is in center. Okay, we will go there and try this one again. Till zoom in 15 page. After that, you will practice 13, 14, and 15 page, right? Okay, we will go again there in MS Word. How we'll open a previous file? Last time we saved this one. Go to file, and also, yes, MS Word 2013. We click on it. Okay. Now I want to open that one again, which I save. File. Open that one. Right? Yes, my document. I save this one. What is the name of that file? That document? Yes, that document name Pakistan. Just open it. Okay, we open it this one, right? Now this is called zoom in and zoom out. If you click here, okay. Now first, this is called cursor, where you enter your data, right? For example, I love Pakistan, right? The cursor which is blinking here, you enter the text or information or data. Data you can enter here. Now, okay, now after that, now when you are going to perform any option on it, first you will select this one, and this is font face. Anyone you can click on it. Okay, now font face, yes, style will be changed, this one. Okay, now this is called font size. Which size you want, you can, right? Okay, now I want to bold. Yes, this one using for italic. Underline, if you want to underline any sentence, you can use it for stroke through. Yes, you will click on it. It is line on middle. Okay. Now, if you want to change this one, text effects, you can. There are different type of effect apply on it. Okay. Now, after that, this one using for color of the text. Now we are on alignment now here, right? These are different type of menu we are using. Insert, design. We will discuss that one in next lesson, inshallah, right? We will go through book, right? Now we will click here. In home we have this one alignment. This is center alignment. It is in center. This is right alignment, and this is left alignment, right? Now this one. Okay, now again I want to change the color because we need this one black color. Okay, now when you click on view, this is zoom in and zoom out, which you want. If you click 200, now it will be zoom in. Now you see 200 zoom in. Now we will go again. Now if you click 75, it will be go out, zoom out, right? Now we need only 100%. Okay, this one. Now we will go again there, home page. Okay, now after that we will go again. We perform till this one. Again, full screen. Zoom in. Okay, after alignment, now zoom in and zoom out. We already performed this one. Zoom allows you to view the document closer or further away, right? Now the document can be displayed as one page, multiple pages, or page width. Document page displayed on the whole screen. Now how you will perform? First you will click on, there are two type of methods there, one directly or you want to go for menu. Now view, click on view, and after that in zoom. When you click on zoom, we already practical perform that thing, and you will give this one. How many percent you want, right? You can, right? This is enough for you. 3 pages, right? Page 13, 14, and 15. Okay. Yes. 13, 14, and 15. Yes, beta, any question regarding this?
ये करेंगे
Yes, beta.
ये करेंगे
Yes, beta. You will do by yourself, right?